Hello, my name is Dr. Noelle Lucas from Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I'm here to take some commonly asked questions about cat vaccines.
Dr. Lucas, is it safe to get multiple cat vaccinations at the same time?
The answer is yes. So it's not uncommon for us when a cat or a kitten comes into the pet hospital that we're going to give them multiple vaccines at the same visit. However, that being said, we do take into account how many vaccines we're requiring of that cat to get, and if we have any concerns or you have concerns, we start to stage those vaccines, so we spread them out a little bit more.
Will cats need boosters?
Yes, so the common kittenhood series is when a cat comes in and they're babies, we'll start their vaccines usually at 6 to 8 weeks of age, and then we'll booster them in 3 to 4 weeks, and we'll continue to booster those until they're 16 to 20 weeks of age. Then after that, we'll do a 1-year booster, and then we switch them over to every 3 years into their adult life. So that's kind of the booster series that we go through.
What should I do if I miss one of my cat's vaccine due dates?
Don't panic. Just realize that you have missed a vaccine. Depending on how much time has passed between the last booster and the one that's needed will determine if your veterinarian needs to kind of start the series over, or we just booster that pet and then advise you on when they need their next vaccine.
If my cat's vaccinated, is it safe to be around other animals that are not vaccinated?
Yeah, so if you have a young kitten and they get their first vaccinations, we know that they are starting to get protective immunity, but they're not protected yet. So if you have a young cat going through their booster series, then if you know that there is a cat that has some upper respiratory infection or a disease that we're trying to prevent them from getting, we would not want you to have that kitten around that adult cat that has active disease until that kitten is completely immunized. And usually about 2 weeks after that final booster of a kitten would be considered protected, and then they can go and be around any cat that you wish them to be around. They're going to have protective immunity. An adult cat that's being vaccinated, usually we're just boostering that protection, so it would be fine for them to be around a cat. But when in doubt, keep them separated. If you have any more questions about your cat and cat vaccinations, we're happy to help. We're Blue Oasis Pet Hospital.